Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called Why is it important to choose a bathroom remodeler with an in-house estimator? Now let me paint a picture for you. Imagine embarking on a bathroom remodel filled with dreams of spa-like serenity, only to find yourself tangled in a whirlwind of unexpected costs, mismatched expectations, and communication failures that even a game of telephone can't rival. Enter the in-house estimator, the unsung hero of smooth sailing in the remodeling seas. Today, we're diving headfirst into why this role is your bathroom's best friend and an absolute game changer. First off, let's talk accuracy. An in-house estimator isn't just someone with a knack for numbers. They're the Sherlock Holmes of your remodel, solving puzzles, analyzing everything from materials to labor costs with the precision of an eagle-eyed mathematician. They ensure the quote you receive isn't just hopeful. It's as grounded in reality as that concrete slab they'll soon be laying. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. An accurate estimate means fewer budgetary surprises. Who wouldn't want to dodge the budget bloat that sneaks up like an unexpected credit card charge months after the holiday season ends? With an in-house estimator on your squad, you're not just avoiding extra costs, you're anticipating them smartly and smoothing potential financial roadblocks before they trip you up. And I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. The magic isn't just in the numbers, it's in communication. An in-house estimator works seamlessly with designers and builders, ensuring everyone speaks the same language. This reduces the classic lost in translation issue that can turn your bathroom into a comically misstated art installation. Then we have the streamlined communication. When estimators, contractors, and designers operate under one roof, you benefit from a harmonious symphony rather than an eclectic mix of solos. It's orchestration in motion, avoiding pitfalls that could bring your project to a screeching halt. An in-house estimator also saves you time because they manage significant coordination. You're spared the lengthy, frustrating detective work of cross-checking across multiple parties. Less stress, more zen, and who doesn't love an easier path to their sanctuary of suds and bliss? Ultimately, choosing a bathroom remodeler with an in-house estimator means you're setting a crack team in motion, ensuring that expectations align with execution. Your space emerges not just renovated, but with a transformation that sings on time and in tune with your vision. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.